music therapy. Hi, today we are going to speak and better understand what is music therapy. Therapy or therapeutic treatment means a remedial treatment of mental or bodily disorder, probably caused due to altered states or emotional disturbances. A therapy is designed to bring about rehabilitation or rejuvenation to alleviate and encourage the mind and body to heal itself. Music therapy uses the powerful abilities of music to improve a person's well-being. One must understand the most important difference between a disorder and disease. A disorder could be caused by emotional differences from within the body due to various factors and conditions, whereas the disease could have been caused by external factors, by bacteria, fungus, or a virus attack. So, understanding this basic principle, one can reap the benefits of both the modern medical advancement and the ancient music and spiritual practices combined together. It is important to consult the medical practitioner and understand the current physical condition before relying on the music therapy practices alone. It is a known fact and a source to rely upon that music is divine and is soothing on the mind and connects to one's soul instantly. There are two common methods in music therapy: active music therapy and passive music therapy. Both systems are designed to elevate the listener and achieve a set outcome. In active music therapy, or according to few music therapists, music therapy as an allied health profession is the clinical and evidence-based use of music interventions to accomplish individualized goals within a therapeutic relationship by a credentialed profession who has completed an approved music therapy program. In a passive music therapy, it is more observational and scientific music-based experiences to address the client's needs and involves the listener relaxing and enjoying the suggested music through headphones by curating a specific playlist to suit the client. The major goal is to improve the client's communication and mental health by attempting to find a way the client can adapt to the world around them and the challenges they may be facing. Music therapy is widely used in hospices, hospitals, schools, cancer centers, alcohol and drug rehabilitation centers. Music therapy is very beneficial for all individuals, both healthy and with health disorders. Music has the power to regulate and improve cardiovascular system, neurosystem, reduced anxiety, improved brain functioning and learning abilities. Music therapy is not like music medicine, wherein, like administering a medicinal pill, one listens to music and then expects a very irrational outcome. Music, in terms of sound, is the primordial substance of our existence. Whenever the sound vibrations within us or around us is distorted or in dissonance, immediately one's emotional or psychological or physical body is disturbed. One striking example to illustrate this dissonance is the sound of a driller machine on the wall or the sounds next to a construction site. Listening to these sounds or staying close to such dissonant sounds immediately makes one irritated or even catch a headache. This is a classic example to illustrate the negative effect of the dissonant sound. The same principle is applied to reap the benefits of music. One has to tune to more harmonious sounds and frequencies to experience calm and good health. A classic example would be the early morning chirping of birds or a nice walk on the beach at sunrise and the sounds of the waves. Thus, with this better understanding of the sound and the principles of music in a therapeutic form, one can make best use of the best gift from Mother Nature to enhance the quality of life.
Relax. Enjoy listening to music.